Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this creepy, dripping blood, rhinestoned Halloween makeup. This look is pretty simple. I just painted some messy red lines under my eyes and glued the rhinestones on with lash glue. You can pair this look with any Halloween costume to make it a little more creepy and glamorous. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Let's do it! I just applied some concealer and foundation off camera before starting. It was nothing fancy, I just evened out my skin tone. Then I took this red color from my paint palette with a thin brush and applied it under my eyes, and painted 5 lines dripping down at various lengths. These lines can be super messy, I just slapped them on. The face paint palette and paintbrushes I'm using are from Amazon. They're super affordable and there are links to everything in the description. Next, I filled in my eyebrows with an angled brush and this black eyeshadow from my JACLYN Hill palette, and then put this white shade on my eyelids as a base. Then I used this red shade and a flat brush to make a bit of a winged eyeliner effect, followed by a thin line of black liquid eyeliner right along my lash line. I also added a coat of mascara, but I'll be putting on false lashes later, so this is just to help blend in my natural lashes. Next, I applied some lash glue across my bottom lash line and used that same paintbrush from earlier to apply some red cosmetic glitter across my bottom lids. Then I took these red rhinestones from a variety pack I usually use for tumblers and pens, and used my wax rhinestone picker to apply the red rhinestones down each of those dripping bloodlines I painted earlier. I just applied a thin layer of lash glue on each red line before placing the rhinestones. My allergies were super bad today, and I spent all day rubbing my eyes, which is why they look so bloodshot. So I decided today would be a good day to do this blood drip makeup look. There were no special effects involved in the bloodshot eyes. Then I added the false lashes for a bit of drama. Finally, I lined my lips with a black lipstick that's literally from the Halloween section at the dollar store, and filled them in with a dark red liquid lipstick. I did a little more shading around the edges with the black lipstick and set it with that same red eyeshadow from the JACLYN Hill palette. And that's it. As far as Halloween makeup looks go, I think this is something that you can do if you don't consider yourself much of a makeup expert. So I hope you try it out, and if you do, please tag me in your photos. I would love to see what you create. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later.